especially if we are describing something. And any writer can use them in his or her text. And while we are reading a text, we can find a simile, a metaphor, a personification. Why do writers use figures of speech? There are three purposes. First, to attract the reader, because I will give you an example here. Because if I say, for example, John eats slowly, this is just a normal sentence. It's correct. This is just normal. Anyone can say John eats slowly. But when I say John eats like a bird, so the reader will be attracted to think about the sentence. Also, it gives deep meaning because the reader will think, does John eat slowly, or does John eat just grains like the birds do, or does John eat a little bit of the food like the birds do? So the reader has to think, has to read all the paragraph to get the meaning. Okay? And the third purpose is it depends on the sentence. For example, if we say she is like the moon, then to show that she is beautiful. If we want to say she is as busy as a bee, then to show that she doesn't have free time, she's always working. She always works. Now we go to the types of, talk about 4 types of figures of speech. First of all, we have the simile. If we look at the examples here, simile is like the girl is like a star. So the writer compares the girl to the star using like. Why? In order to show that she's famous, she's beautiful. In the second sentence, her hair is dark as the night. He used as. He can say her hair is dark like the night. It's fine. Instead of as, we can use like. Instead of like, we can use as. It's correct. So we can say the girl is like a star, or the girl is as a star. We can say her hair is dark as the night, or her hair is dark like the night. Okay? So the writer here is using simile. Simile, if you look at the definition, it's direct comparison. And directly he's telling us that the girl and the star, they are the same. The hair and the night, they are the same. Direct comparison, which is comparing 2 items. They can be 2 people, a person and a thing, like here the girl and the star. A place, for example, and a thing, for example, we can say that garden is like heaven. So we're comparing places here. It's fine. We can do that. But on a condition that in our sentence, we have to use like or as. Okay, whenever we compare between 2 things and we use like or as, then it's a simile. Now we go to the second one, which is metaphor. If you look at the sentence here, books are good friends. So the writer is comparing books to good friends. Books, good friends, they are the same, but he did not use as or like. I can say books are like good friends, or books are as good friends. It's fine, but it's simile. Like or as in the sentence, so it's simile. But if we keep the comparison, book and good friends, but we cancel like or as, then it's called metaphor. So metaphor is indirect comparison, because the reader has to think. Books are compared to what? I don't have like to show me. I have to think. Books and good friends. So without using as or like, we have comparison, but without as or like. So the writer compares books to good friends without using as or like. Why? In order to show that we can have fun and nice time while reading books, just as we have fun and nice time with our friends. Now the third one. The sentence is, the sun is smiling. Okay, smiling is for people. People usually smile. Okay, it's for people. We give this quality, smiling, to a thing, which is the sun. Okay, so we give a personal quality, which is smiling, to a thing, which is the sun. The sun does not smile. The writer takes something from people and he gives it to a thing, to the sun. Or for example, sky is crying. So the sky does not cry. The sky is a thing. Crying is for people, so we give it to the sky. Why? In order to show his emotion, his feelings. The sun is smiling, and the writer is happy. If he says the sky is raining, is crying, yani he's sad. Okay? Now the fourth.
Okay, guys. So the last figure of speech is hyperbole or exaggeration. Hyperbole or exaggeration, I maximize, I increase the effects of the verb. For example, like in this sentence, his cries reach the sky. I could have said instead of that, for example, simply, I could have said, he has a loud voice. Okay, or he cries a lot. It's just normal. It's easy, it's clear, it's normal, it's correct. So now as a writer, I want to give deep meaning to my sentences. So I said, his cries reach the sky. His cries will never reach the sky. I'm maximizing the effect of the action. Or for example, I say, I have tons of homework. I don't have tons of homework. I'm exaggerating. I'm using hyperbole in order to show, I'm so busy, I'm so tired. And when I say his cries reach the sky, I want to show how loud the voice is, how annoyed I am or the writer is. So this is the effect and the definition of hyperbole.
For hyperbole, you have to change the emojis into a sentence using the figure of speech in brackets. For example, I have this face, angry, another face which is scary, and volcano, and I want you to use simile. We will get different sentences, not all of us will write the same sentence. So this man, for example, is angry and scary like a volcano, because the volcano is dangerous, it's angry. So, I used simile, I compared the man to the volcano using like. Personification, the moon and a smiling face. The moon is happy or is smiling, which is a human quality. I gave it to the moon, so I used personification.